if you're experiencing matchmaking error 2025 in Call of Duty, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue and speed up your matchmaking process. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes the problem may be on the server side, and you may need to wait for them to resolve it. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Call of Duty completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the matchmaking error. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release patches and updates that fix bugs and improve matchmaking. Check for updates on your gaming platform. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Check your network settings and ensure that your NAT type is set to open. You can do this by accessing your router settings and enabling UPnP Universal Plug and Play port forwarding for Call of Duty. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Call of Duty. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If issues continue, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.